Good morning, students. This is Prashant Jha. First of all, I welcome you all on e-learning classes which is provided by DPS Dhaka. Today I am going to teach students of class 1 science. Your today's chapter is plant around us. My dear students, in previous lecture we have studied about plants and different types of plants and different plants part. But today we have summarized this chapter and we are going to discuss this chapter in detail. You already know that plants play a vital role in our life. It means we can say that green plants are very essential thing which is present on the surface of the earth. Guys, you already know that when we feel hunger, we need food, and this all food comes from where? These foods come from the green plants. As you all know that green plants can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, and they prepared food in the form of starch and they stored it. Some of the food which is prepared by plant is get utilized by the plant, but rest of the food that is not utilized by the plant can be stored in the form of food in their root, leaves, etc. And they give us oxygen gas. Oxygen is a very essential gas because we depend upon oxygen. The life precious thing is oxygen, because without oxygen we cannot survive on the surface of the earth. That's why we can say that we people directly depend upon green plants, and today we are going to study about plants, their parts, their functions, how they prepared food, what are the factors that are essential for the development of the plants, how plants get developed. You already know that if you have to plant a tree, then what happens? First you have to sow the seed in the ground, then the seeds get germinated. Germination takes place only when if the plant can get each and every nutrients which is required by the plant for their growth, just like right amount of water for what? Because when we provide water to the plant, then the uppermost layer of the seed, that is the seed coat, protective layer, that is the seed coat which is get broken. When we provide water, by watering they become not hard when they are very hard, and when we provide water regularly, then the seed coats break down easily. So we can say that this seed get germinated and the plant developed, and they have different parts. Now we are going to study about plants parts. We have studied in our previous lecture that types of plant: tree, shrub, herb, climber, creeper and water plant. Tree, climber, creeper, shrubs, herbs and water plant. You already know that you have seen different types of plant that are in water. These type of plant are known as water plant. Just like we can say that lotus, water lily, etc. These are considered as a water plant. Now today we are going to study about parts of plant. You have seen plants have different parts. The first part is the root, the part of the plant which is beneath the surface of the ground. It means underground part of the plant is known as root. Function of root is what? The main function of root is to provide water as well as support to the plant. The water which is very essential component for the plant, it absorbed by the root, because it plays a vital role in the process of transportation. So we can say that water is a very essential nutrient which is absorbed by the root. Stem, it also provides support to the plant. It provides a support and also it plays a vital role in the process of transportation of minerals. Flower, leaves and fruit. You have seen the leaves are very essential part of plant. It means we can say that it is a food factory of plant. Food factory, it means what? It means we can say that leaf, just like your mummy prepared food for you in kitchen, green plants can prepare their food in their leaves. Leaves is a kitchen of green plant and it is a food factory of the green plant. In leaves there are teeny pores. That teeny pores are called stomata. Teeny pores are called stomata, and due to stomata, exchange of gases takes place in green plant. It means we can say that the oxygen that we inhaled is coming from the green plant through their stomata. And chlorophyll, due to the presence of chlorophyll, the leaves of the plant look like green. It means if anyone asks you a question that why the leaves of the green plant look like green, then you have to say due to the presence of a green pigment that is known as the chlorophyll. Due to the presence of chlorophyll, leaves of plant look like a green. And what is the function of the chlorophyll? The function of the chlorophyll is to what? Is to trap sunlight. To trap sunlight. Main function of chlorophyll is to trap sunlight. Now, these all things are essential in the process of what? In the process of photosynthesis. In the process of photosynthesis. It means we can say that the process of photosynthesis is carried out in the leaves of green plant. Breathing organ is also present in leaves. It means we can say that exchange of gases takes place in leaf. Now fruit and flower. You have seen seed. Seed are contained in what? Seed are contained in fruit. It means we can say that fruit are also an essential part because it contains seed, and seed is essential for the development of another plant. Flower develops into fruit. Flower develops into what? Flower develops into fruit. Now your today's parts of plant is complete. In another lecture we have to study about next chapter, and today's your homework is what? To write out what are the essential things that are utilized in the process of photosynthesis. Yeah, why leaves are the important part of a plant. Yeah, what is the function of the root? What are the function of the stem? What are the function of the leaves? You have to write about these things. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.